Hi there, Chris here. I have something you don't see every day. This padlock. Very unusual. And this comes to us from the Godraj Locking Solutions, our fine friends in India. And I'm always glad to see the #1 unpickable locking system. When you see that in the packaging, it almost ensures a novice dimple lock picker like myself has a good shot of getting in here. So we're going to take a look at this. It is actually very heavy for this, and I'll take that out, get some keys, and see how this works. It says it's hardened. I doubt it. Maybe. And there's our key. And the way this works is you turn it to the right. This pulls up and this pivots out. So then you can lock up things. Looks rather like a very large perfume bottle. I guess that's where they load the cylinder in there. So I'm going to give this a shot. I don't think I'll get into it yet. I might have to practice on this, but hey, you never know. I'm not the world's greatest dimple lock picker. Let's see if this will fit. Is that the way we turn it? I believe it is. Yes. Okay. So we can see our dimples in there. And we're going to tension it. And I think I'm going to start off just trying to rake it. I've never actually opened one of these with a dimple lock with one of these rakes. They've always proved to be too big. But hey, why not? I do have better luck with traditional rakes. I don't think we said anything, but we could even try a regular dimple pick of the sparrows. This is sort of the flat one. So it's such a large keyway that it's kind of hard to stay on these dimples. This is the first time I stuck a pick in here. A few sets. I need a larger pick. I might try this type of pick. Well, there's some sets, I'll have to tell you. And I'm not going to go forever on this because I'm not Murloc. Oh, Slinky. Slinky wants to go out and hunt lizards. And I'm not letting her go out unescorted. I wonder if I'm tensioning this the right way. Well, I do have some sets. I think that's the right way. Let us try this sort of at an angle. Oh, I lost a set on #1. #1 on the bottom. You know, I haven't figured out if it's light or heavy tension that works. So you're seeing this for the first time as I am. So now I could try this again. But I don't seem to be having any luck. But it is a very cool looking lock. I would like to be able to pick it, and I'll work on it and see if I can't learn it. Let's see, was I even doing it the right way? The correct direction? Yeah, I was tensioning the right way. Anyway, that is, they call it the Scorpio. They call it the Scorpio. And like I say, it's very heavy. It's rather unique in its design and its opening. There you go. So there you have it. Hopefully I can bring this back and pick it for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, leave a comment. If you know about these locks, do I want light tension, heavy tension, whose rake to put in it, or what? Anyway, thanks for watching. We will see you next time.